computer-aided designers or CAD designers use software to create plans for everything from cars to skyscrapers. Because of the limitless benefits of their profession, CAD designers may find work in many exciting fields including construction and engineering. CAD designers use computers to generate sketches of complex undertakings. Using these designs, they can help establish timelines, budget, and assist in many different departments in making vital decisions about major projects. CAD designers use technology to help generate design for complex projects. This design may be used to create 2D image, a process known as surface modeling, or 3D image or solid modeling. CAD designers must have strong computer skills and extensive knowledge of design software. Communication is also an essential part of CAD design. Using the computer-generated plans, CAD designers must work with other team members and departments to set timeline, budget, and assist in making decisions regarding materials that will be used to complete the project. CAD designers must know their industry. In order to be effective, they must have knowledge of machines, engineering standards, mathematics, and the materials used to make their plans a reality. CAD designers' responsibilities use software to create detailed 2D or 3D designs for complex projects, collaborate with others to establish timelines and budget, as well as solve problems.
Challenge which is shape control, define the equilibrium and the position of the inflection point, which is point at the signal of the panel curve change, the hand draw and the hand construct method, including the inflection in a curve passing through the sequence of the data point. Next, which is the second challenge, which is for the design exploration. The challenge is to design and build geometry system that ensure the continuity of mapping operation. That mapping continuity differ from the geometric continuity. Next, for the last challenge.
CAD software is used by architect, engineer, drafter, artists, and others to create precision drawing or technical illustration. CAD software can be used to create two-dimension 2D drawing or three-dimension 3D model. CAD is software used to design products such as electronic circuit board in computer and other devices. For the job requirement, first you could work in 2D design, which is known as surface modeling, or 3D design called solid modeling. You will see surface modeling to draw a flat representation of the product. For example, a new car design. Client will then see the plan and give it back before engineer build and test prototype. In solid modeling, you will create a 3D display of the structure or component. Engineer could then use this to take a virtual tour around the inside of the new building. For example, to plan where the fit electrical cabling. Or they may look inside a piece of manufacturing machinery to see where improvement could be made. Third, you also can use your design to help prepare cost estimate on project and produce assembly instruction and maintenance manual for installation, service, and repair technician. A CAD technician job involves the production of electronic version of the technical drawing which our draftsmen would previously have created with pen and paper at drawing board.
Since its introduction in late 1960s, CAD software has improved by leaps and bounds. Besides 2D, 3D CAD is one of its classifications. However, CAD was not exactly an economic proportion. The machines at those times were very costly. The increasing computer power in the later part of 21st century with the arrival of mini-computer and subsequently the microprocessor has allowed engineers to use CAD files that are an accurate representation of the dimension or properties of the object. One of the most frequent uses in the versatile CAD programs is in the field of drafting. Usually, drafters take data, specifications, sketches provided by the scientists or engineering and produce drawings that serve as a visual guideline for product manufacture. The drafting career may include architectural, mechanical, electronic, and civil construction drafting. Basically, CAD designers are familiar with standards and requirements for their specific field of interest, while for drafters, they should be considered generalists. Next is CAD manager. These are the people where everyone turns to when things go wrong. They have a deep understanding on the CAD tools like AutoCAD and MicroStation. They know what problems are likely arise when the tool interacts with other software and programs. Here is what you can expect computer-aided design, where it shows that the architectural and civil drafter obtain the highest median annual salary.
For the first responsibilities of 3D computer-aided design, create and design detailed 2D or 3D complex project. So for these responsibilities, need to be prepared dimensional drawing, installation drawings, and more complex drawings such as pilot plan, structure of new building, and factory. For this preparation, it can avoid contractor for doing any mistake when building a new structure because from the design they can get exact detail from the design. They also can develop product information packages including drawing specs that they want to design for. So for the another responsibility for 3D computer-aided design is understand the project requirement and develop high design accordingly. So from the project requirement, they can easily establish a foundation for product vision scope, cost, and target finished product quality and performance. They also can easily show selected material, engineering standard, and generic product based on the design itself that can be shown to the client so that client know what they go for their own projects.